There we go.
There we go. That's a little much. Take a bite. Say ah. Not interested? You always like things in your mouth. Here. Open. No? Wipe that yucky stuff off, Mommy. She won't even open her mouth. Let's try again. Want to take a bite? And say ah. She won't even do it. That's funny. You like that? Where's the yucky face? Mama's ready for blah. More? Got more or no? I guess you don't need to record it then. We're not going to get any yucky face. You want it? There you go. Let me get that stuff. Want some more? Mmm. Yum. That's good enough.